I have a Samsung front load washing machine, the SE or the 5E code, where it will not drain water. So this front little cover here, pry it open with the screwdriver, drain out as much water as you can out of here into a little bucket. And then I lifted it up a little bit with some 2x4s. High enough to get a tray underneath here, because the water will, once you pull out this cap here, the cap that's in there, and you pull it out, water runs back there underneath the lip of this washing machine to either end. So this one's wide enough to cover both sides. So once I pulled the cap out, nasty. It's my daughter's sock. So washing machines do eat socks. Finish cleaning that out, put it back together, and that'll take care of the SE or the 5E Samsung issue.